Okay, so the optical cable which carries the light or which carries the entire information signal consists of core, the central part of the cable. Outside that core, cladding is there, that is also of the same material. Like if this is of glass, this will be again of glass. If this is of plastic, this will be again of plastic. Or we can have a glass plastic combination also, but generally we go for glass only. So now why two different, though if both are of glass, then why the names are different? So here comes the logic of Snell's law. Now in Snell's law, what we have seen, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, right? Now when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, right? Here the angle made by the incident ray with the normal, that is incidence angle. Now at particular angle, when your incident, there is some concept, there is one concept that is called as critical angle. Critical is a threshold value. So here in this diagram, N1 is say your core and N2 is your cladding. So both are of the same material, but the refractive index is different. How to reduce the refractive index? Just by adding the impurities, you can lower down the refractive index, right? So the light is traveling say from core. If the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, the light gets outside or it goes in the cladding. Okay, we want the light to travel only through core. See, this is, though it is a guided medium, we don't have any control on the light. Right? We cannot restrict the light to travel only through this path and not to this path, right? So we need one concept, that is, this is a principle, this is very important principle, that is total internal reflection. So you have to keep your light only inside the core and it should reach to the destination. So how to keep the light or how to confine the light only inside the core is again based on Snell's law. So what we have to do, here I have drawn three diagrams, denser to rarer, same thing, denser to rarer and denser to rarer. Only the angle of incidence is, I keep on increasing, right? Here the ray is reflected, right? Sorry, refracted, because it goes in the another medium. So the ray is refracted. So refraction is a loss for us, right? We want the light to be reflected back in the same medium. Here the angle of incidence is slightly greater than this angle. Now see, the refraction is on the boundary here, right? Again that will be a loss. You want the ray to go inside the core only. So here the angle of incidence is, this is a critical value, critical angle of incidence. If it is exactly equal to critical angle, the ray will not be reflected, not be refracted, but the angle of refraction is here, or the refraction is 90 degrees, right? Now we want the ray to come in the same medium, that is reflection. So this angle of incidence you have to slightly increase, greater than critical angle, right? So angle of incidence, if the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then the ray comes in the same medium, and this concept is called as total internal reflection. Total means the entire ray is coming, right? Internal means core में ही आ रहा है reflection, because it is coming due to reflection. See, whenever light incidence on any medium or any surface, the light is transmitted, reflected, refracted, absorbed, anything can happen, right? But here we are passing the light through a core or through the glass, right? And we have to keep it inside the glass. So the basic thing we need is your angle of incidence at which the ray enters in the core. This angle should be greater than critical angle, then only it will follow total internal reflection. right? And it is totally based on Snell's law. And the construction of this optical cable is center is the core, cladding. Now why we need cladding? To obey these laws, right? So you want a rarer medium immediately outside the denser medium here, then only this can happen. That's why we have a cladding whose refractive index is slightly less than refractive index of core, and then outside that we have the protective jackets or the coverings. Now why we need protective jackets? Because it is glass, it is brittle, so you have to protect it from damage, right? See the radius of this core, right? The radius of this glass core is very less. It is as small as the radius or the diameter of our hair, right? It is a micrometer, 50 micrometer or 100 micrometer, right? So you can imagine how difficult it is to pass the light inside this core. Okay, so we want light, right? But you cannot use normal bulbs or these bulbs for the light production here, because if I use normal bulb, the light will disperse in all directions and it will not enter in the core because the core is very small. So I want such source whose diameter itself is very small. So we go for lasers. So lasers are very small in size, and the light that is coming out from laser is very of high intensity, right? So either you can use LED as a source or lasers as the source for optical communication. So again, optical communication, if I discuss the block diagram, I will have information source. If I am speaking, I am the information source. Then I'll have a transmitter. So in the transmitter, I need either LED or laser. So they will generate the light, and the light generated by these lasers or LEDs and the information signal together will be modulated and passed through the communication channel. What is communication channel? Cable. And at the receiver we need, ये आपका light source है. Now at the receiver I'll receive the light, but my information signal is not light. My information signal is my voice. So I need to again demodulate it. So I need photodetectors, and those photodetectors will again give me electrical signal, and then we'll receive our original signal. So basic block diagram, whatever we discussed about any communication system, it remains same, only the source, the communication channel is different. Okay, so question can be asked in the NSEM exam based on optical cable. So this is very important: critical angle, Snell's law, total internal reflection, core cladding. Okay,